Hello, I want to share a quick decision making skills tip. In life, we make a lot of decisions in our life. It can be very simple. That can be about what food you eat, what you're doing in your free time, versus some important things about your personal finances or your work or your investments. Those are very, very important and high value decision making things you're going to do in your life, choices you're going to make. So here, all those things actually depends on what choice you make and what you do. I'm going to share some tip about decision making. So basically here, it's the action you take. It can be a choice you take consciously and move on to the next action. And sometimes you may not do anything, just leave it alone or you just ignore. And by that, you are consciously choosing to ignore to make a decision on that matter. So not making a decision is making a decision by default to not make a decision. Now, there are some things that are low priorities, that's fine. But what I'm saying here is there are some things you may be postponing or you're ignoring or you don't want to deal with it. So there are also important things to remember. And this can mean apply to many things, but I'm going to give a general overview in terms of decision making skills. The one thing I want to say is we don't know how much time we have left, and it's uncertain. Life itself is uncertain, and I made some videos on that. So realizing that how much time you have is not known, and all you have is this moment right now, and keeping some perspective of your next few months or a year or a few years, try to make whatever decision you can make quickly and learn from it. So when you make a choice, you can always look back and see was the decision a good or a bad and learn from it. I'm sure there are some decisions you made a few years ago or even recently, and you can learn from it. There was a good choice, there is a good decision you made, and there are some other things maybe not so good. So evaluate those decisions and make them quicker. Now, maybe there is something you're postponing or something important to you, but you're not choosing yes or no or making a firm choice. In those situations, maybe you need some subject matter help. I can get some help. And there are other things, there are simple things in your life, and those also can help you in your decision making skills, like getting quickly to yes or no. And the more you do that, and the more you evaluate yourself, it can improve your decision making skills and the muscle. And all effective people, everybody who's in a leadership role, everybody who's running their own business, they all make decisions quickly. So they get to the yes or no quickly and then look back, it's good or bad, and sometimes things go bad, and that's fine, they learn from it. And sometimes some decisions turn out to be great. So the lesson is to fail forward fast and make decisions quickly. It can be start as simple as your personal choice about what you eat, what you do in your free time. Hope you can make some quick decisions and write in the comment below. Anything else you probably can make a quick decision and like give success for yourself.